In this video, you will learn exactly how to generate affiliate links with impact radius without having to go into your dashboard. So after you log in, all you will do is go to Content, go down to Add Tools, and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Browser Extensions. Now you're going to come down all the way to the bottom where it says Browser Extensions, and you're going to get that extension from the Chrome store. So on this page, just hit Download, and then add the extension. After the extension has been installed, after the extension has been downloaded, all you will do is go up on top, click on Extensions, and then pin the impacted deep linking tool on the toolbar. And this icon will appear. It looks like a traffic light. And you're going to log into your account. After you log in, go back to your dashboard and go down to the left column, click on this three dot and go to Settings. What you want to do now is enable the API access. So go down to Technical, click on API access. So for this example, we are on Envato's homepage and we're going to create an affiliate link right here. So all we got to do is click on the icon and then click on Generate Tracking Link. When you click on that, it's going to say the landing page, and then it's going to give you the link. And right here on this window, you can also add a tracking tag, so you know exactly where the sale and the traffic is coming from. For this example, we're going to just use test as our tracking code. And now, when you click on link, it's going to highlight everything, and now you can copy it and paste it wherever you need. Now notice this link is really long, and in order to make it more brandable, we're going to use a link shortener. So in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that.